I asked CHAT GPT which are the best countries to travel to in 2023, and these were the results. Let's start with Japan. This country in Asia is a popular destination for travelers looking to experience a completely different culture. Japan is known for its unique blend of tradition and modernity, and this is reflected in everything from the architecture to the food. Some of the most popular places to visit in Japan include the city of Tokyo, which is one of the largest and most exciting in the world. There are many things to do in Tokyo, such as visiting the famous Tsukiji fish market, exploring the Harajuku neighborhood, which is known for its extravagant fashion, or enjoying a meal at a local ramen restaurant. In addition to Tokyo, there are many other incredible cities in Japan, such as Kyoto, which is known for its ancient temples and traditional gardens, and Osaka, which is a popular destination for food lovers. Moving on to Thailand. This country in Southeast Asia is known for its natural beauty, dreamy beaches, and unique culture. Bangkok, the capital of Thailand, is a vibrant and exciting city that offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. There are many interesting places to visit in Bangkok, such as the Grand Palace, which is an impressive display of traditional Thai architecture, or the Domnoan Sadwak floating market, which is an exciting place to shop for souvenirs and sample local food. In addition to Bangkok, Thailand has many other popular cities and destinations, such as Chiang Mai, which is known for its ancient temples and delicious food, or the southern islands of Thailand, such as Phuket and Koh Samui, which are famous for their dreamy beaches. Spain is another popular destination for travelers. This country in Europe is known for its vibrant culture, delicious food, and stunning architecture. Barcelona, the largest city in Catalonia, is a popular destination for architecture lovers, with impressive places such as the Sagrada Familia and Park Güell. Madrid, the capital of Spain, is known for its exciting nightlife as well as its world-class museums, such as the Prado Museum. In addition, there are many other popular cities and destinations in Spain, such as Seville, which is known for its festivals and impressive architecture, or the Canary Islands, which are famous for their stunning beaches and warm climate all year round. New Zealand is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. This island country in the South Pacific is known for its stunning natural beauty, which includes glaciers, mountains, and pristine beaches. Some of the most popular places to visit in New Zealand include the city of Queenstown, which is a popular destination for skiing and snowboarding, and Fiordland National Park, which is home to the famous Milford Sound, a stunning fjord with spectacular views. Other attractions in New Zealand include the city of Auckland, which is the largest city in the country, as well as the South Island, which is known for its natural beauty and wildlife, including penguins, whales, and seals. Moving on to Italy. This European country is known for its history, culture, and delicious food. Rome, the capital of Italy, is home to many historical attractions, such as the Colosseum and the Roman Forum, as well as stunning architecture, such as the Trevi Fountain and the Pantheon. Florence, another popular destination in Italy, is known for its Renaissance art and architecture, with attractions such as the Uffizi Gallery and the Ponte Vecchio. Other popular destinations in Italy include Venice, which is known for its canals and romantic atmosphere, and the Amalfi Coast, which is famous for its stunning coastline and picturesque towns. Next one is Australia, is a popular destination for travelers looking for a relaxed atmosphere and outdoor adventures. This country in the Pacific is known for its unique wildlife, stunning natural beauty, and dreamy beaches. Sydney, the largest city in Australia, is a popular destination for travelers, with attractions such as the Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. Melbourne, the second largest city in Australia, is known for its coffee culture and vibrant arts scene. In addition to cities, there are many other attractions in Australia, such as the Great Barrier Reef, which is the largest reef system in the world and home to a variety of unique marine life, and Kakadu National Park, which is home to an impressive array of wildlife and stunning natural beauty. Lastly, Iceland is a popular destination for nature lovers. This island country in the North Atlantic is known for its stunning natural beauty, which includes geysers, glaciers, and waterfalls. Reykjavik, the capital of Iceland, is a popular destination for travelers, with attractions such as the Blue Lagoon and the Hallgrímskirkja Church. Other popular destinations in Iceland include the Golden Circle, which is a popular route that takes you to some of the country's most famous attractions, such as the Geyser and Gullfoss waterfall, as well as the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, which is a stunning glacier lake with icebergs and seals. In conclusion, each of these countries has something unique and special to offer travelers, whether it's culture, natural beauty, delicious food, or outdoor adventures. Each destination is well worth a visit and will leave you with unforgettable memories, so today I backquote TSA 10 for CHAT GPT.